Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 8 9 Pro XL to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Google, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!